There are moments in gardening when a simple solution feels like magic. One day you're struggling with compacted soil, weeds, or poor water retention, and the next everything seems to shift. That's exactly what happened when I discovered the power of cardboard in the garden. It's cheap, often discarded, and surprisingly transformative. While compost has been the go-to for soil improvement for generations, cardboard works differently, acting immediately to calm soil problems and create a healthier environment for plants. Today, we'll dive into why this method works, how to use it effectively, and practical steps you can take to see your soil thrive almost overnight. Cardboard works because it combines weed suppression with rapid soil improvement. The first thing I noticed when using cardboard was how quickly it addressed weeds. Unlike plastic sheeting, which can suffocate soil and trap moisture poorly, cardboard allows water to penetrate, while blocking sunlight from reaching seeds and seedlings trying to sprout. Within just a few hours of laying down those dampened sheets, I noticed weeds really struggling to push through, and I could see moisture starting to soak into the soil beneath. Over time, cardboard breaks down and feeds the soil, providing organic matter that encourages all those beneficial microbes to flourish. Unlike compost, which, usually takes weeks or even months to decompose, cardboard actually starts affecting the soil structure straight away. It softens compacted areas and improves aeration for roots, which is just brilliant for plant health. When cardboard is applied to soil, it becomes a substrate for bacteria and fungi. These organisms get to work breaking down the cellulose and releasing nutrients, creating a little micro-ecosystem that really encourages plant growth. Within just a day, you'll notice the soil underneath becomes noticeably softer, it retains water more effectively, and starts to take on a richer, darker hue. This is particularly valuable in urban gardens or raised beds, where soil tends to compact easily. For practical application, just flatten your cardboard, remove any shiny coatings or tape, and lay it directly over the area you want to improve. Slightly wetting the sheets really helps them conform to the ground, and it gets the decomposition process started a bit faster. One of the most immediate benefits I observed was moisture retention. Cardboard acts like a sponge, holding water from irrigation or rainfall and releasing it slowly into the soil below. This prevents rapid evaporation and allows plant roots to absorb water consistently. It also minimizes erosion and keeps topsoil in place during heavy rains. For gardeners dealing with drought-prone areas, cardboard offers a low-cost method to stabilize moisture. Covering beds with a single layer, or layering multiple sheets for thicker coverage, ensures that water penetrates slowly while the soil beneath remains protected and nourished. While cardboard alone improves soil quickly, adding a thin layer of mulch, straw, or even leftover compost on top, it really enhances the results. The cardboard keeps weeds at bay, while the organic material retains additional moisture, moderates temperature, and continues to feed microbes. Historically, gardeners and early farmers often used layered organic matter to rehabilitate tired or compacted soil. Today, the same principle can be applied. Lay cardboard, then top it with a mulch layer. The result is, well, a ready-to-plant bed that starts improving immediately and continues to evolve over time. Although it's most commonly associated with soil beds, cardboard can also benefit container gardens or raised planters. Simply line the bottom or edges with dampened sheets before adding soil. Even in small urban plots, this method is effective because it adapts to available space and resources. In hydroponic or semi-soilless systems, cardboard can be integrated into media beds or used as a temporary mulch to stabilize nutrient solutions and prevent algae growth on surfaces. The first step is sourcing plain corrugated cardboard. Avoid glossy, heavily inked or coated boxes. Flatten the sheets and remove any tape or labels. Lightly moisten the cardboard so it conforms to the soil surface and begins interacting with moisture immediately. Lay the sheets over your soil, overlapping edges to ensure full coverage. Optionally, add a thin layer of mulch, compost or straw on top. Within a day, you'll notice a change. Weeds struggling to emerge, soil moisture stabilized, and the soil texture softening. Over the next few weeks, the cardboard begins to decompose, feeding microbes and gradually integrating into the soil, leaving you with a healthier, more resilient garden bed. The cardboard cure demonstrates how simple, overlooked solutions often outperform traditional methods. While compost remains valuable, cardboard provides immediate, visible results. Its combination of weed suppression, moisture retention, microbial activation, and soil softening creates an environment where plants thrive almost instantly. Using discarded cardboard is also sustainable, reduces waste, and gives gardeners a low-cost, high-impact tool that is, honestly, quite easy to implement. This method proves that sometimes the simplest solutions, ones available in our homes or local recycling bins, can solve long-standing soil issues faster than traditional approaches. If you found this guide useful and want more practical, historically grounded gardening hacks, make sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this video with someone who appreciates effective, actionable techniques. These overlooked strategies aren't just clever. They're transformative for your soil, your garden, and your overall approach to growing food sustainably.